Hello, everyone. My name is Lisa Bagley, and I serve as the global lead for the AWS Cloud Clubs program. Today, I want to share with you not just what we're building together, but why your participation in this movement matters more than you might realize. But first, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Captain Zainul for inviting me to speak with you today. It's an absolute honor to speak at your BRAC University Student Community Day, addressing such an inspiring group of students and future leaders. I'm particularly excited to celebrate the incredible work being done by your club here at BRAC, a community that exemplifies everything we believe about student-driven innovation and leadership. Let me start with some numbers that might surprise you. We now have over 500 cloud clubs in more than 60 countries worldwide. Just this year alone, we formed over 400 new clubs. Think about that for a moment. Students just like you in universities from Sao Paulo to Singapore, from Lagos to London, are all part of this same global community of learners and builders. But here's what makes this truly special. You're not just joining a club. You're becoming part of a globally accessible network where students worldwide receive support and guidance at every stage of their cloud learning journey. When you engage with your cloud club here at BRAC University, you're connecting with peers across continents who share your passion for technology and innovation. What sets AWS Cloud Clubs apart is our unique approach to leadership development with local impact. Captain Zainul didn't just join a program, he stepped up to lead one. Through our Train the Trainer model, AWS invests directly in Cloud Club captains like Zainul, who then deliver meaningful experiences right here in their communities. This isn't about following someone else's playbook, though. It's about empowering student leaders to plan, organize, and deliver events that matter to you. Events that address the challenges and opportunities you see right here in Bangladesh, right here in Dhaka, and right here at BRAC University. The application process for becoming a captain is competitive because we're looking for exceptional leaders who can make a real difference. But here's the beautiful thing. Every single one of you has the potential to develop those leadership skills through your engagement with your Cloud Club. One of our core tenets is frictionless learning, providing straightforward access to valuable learning opportunities that enhance your growth. In a world where technology changes at lightning speed, we believe learning shouldn't be complicated or inaccessible. Through your Cloud Club, you have direct access to AWS trainings, certification preparation help, and our new AWS Skill Builder micro-credentialing. These aren't just accolades to hang on your wall, though. They're your ticket past initial resume screenings and your way to demonstrate real, valuable knowledge to potential employers. You'll also get to learn directly from our AWS field community managers and developer advocates who are professionals that help you understand the basics of AWS technology and how to use it to build your dreams. Now, let me be direct about something. AI is revolutionizing both how work gets done and who gets to do it. This creates unprecedented opportunities for those willing to embrace this new and more sophisticated skill set. Here's your advantage. As a Cloud Club member, you have direct access to the most up-to-date AI training and certifications from the leader in enterprise AI, AWS. While others are playing catch up, you're already positioned at the forefront of this transformation. The question isn't whether AI will change your industry, it's whether you'll be leading that charge or scrambling to keep up with it. Let's talk about what this means for your future. The demand for AWS skilled professionals isn't just strong, it's exploding. Nearly 90% of early career workloads are now cloud enabled, 90%. Companies aren't just looking for people who understand traditional IT. They need professionals who can think and, more importantly, build in the cloud. Here's what this means in real terms. Career growth. AWS skills open up new pathways in many technology roles, from entry-level positions to specialized roles like DevOps engineers and solutions architects. Increased earning potential. Data indicates that AWS certified professionals can see salary increases of up to 25% when changing roles. Competitive advantage. Having AWS expertise makes you a more attractive candidate and gives you an advantage over those without cloud experience. And finally, access to cutting edge technology. You'll work with machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, cybersecurity, and many, many others, all while building future-proof skills from the leading cloud provider. Let's talk about connections to AWS. Creating engaging experiences that deepen your relationship with AWS communities, services, and programs. This isn't just about learning AWS technology. We provide clear pathways for captains and members to join adjacent AWS developer communities when their time with Cloud Clubs ends. It's so exciting to see our former Cloud Club members join communities like the AWS user groups and AWS community builders, creating lifelong professional and personal connections. Your journey doesn't stop when you graduate. We're building a pipeline of talent and leadership that extends far beyond your university years. The connections you make here, the skills that you develop here, and the leadership experiences that you gain right here. These become the foundation for a lifetime of innovation and impact. Finally, we believe in recognition and advocacy. We provide valuable incentives that acknowledge and reward Cloud Club captains' community contributions, fostering continued advocacy for AWS. But more importantly, we recognize that every member of this community contributes to something larger than themselves. When you volunteer with your Cloud Club, when you mentor a fellow student, when you organize an event or lead a workshop, you're not just building your own skills, you're lifting up your entire community. And that's how we all rise, by lifting each other up. So here's what I want you to do starting today. First, get involved. Volunteer with the AWS Cloud Club at BRAC University. Don't wait for the perfect moment or until you feel ready enough. The best way to learn is by doing, and your club needs your energy, your ideas, and your unique perspective. Secondly, seek out ways to increase and showcase your technical leadership. Earn AWS certifications and micro-credentials. These credentials are your proof of competency in an increasingly competitive job market. They demonstrate that you don't just talk about technology, you understand it, you can use it, and you can build with it. Third, begin to mentor others. Share your knowledge. Teaching someone else is one of the most powerful ways to deepen your own understanding. When you help a classmate understand a concept, when you guide someone through their first AWS project, when you share what you've learned, you're not just helping them, you're reinforcing your own knowledge and developing the communication skills that every leader needs. Let me leave you with this. At AWS, we're always looking for new and innovative ideas. We invest time, energy, and resources into student builders just like you, because you are our future technical leaders. AWS Cloud Clubs aren't just developing talent for tomorrow. You're developing the talent today that will lead all of us into the next generation of technical innovation. The future isn't something that just happens to you. It's something you build. And with the resources, community, and opportunities available through your Cloud Club, you have everything you need to start building that future right now. So the question isn't whether you're ready. The question is, what will you go build? Thank you, and I can't wait to see what amazing things you'll create together.